It's a lot going on right now.
It's a lot going on.
Yeah, I did some stuff, but
What you do? Huh?
I ran from the police.
Yeah, really.
Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Put both hands out the vehicle! Show me both your hands, you will be shot! Is anyone else in the vehicle with you? You're the only one? Keep your hands down! My only place to stay.
I got you. Well, that's all that I asked. So look, man, a gram of marijuana, I probably would have just gave you a ticket and sent you on your way. But now you got a felony. Get in there.
Hello? Mama?
Hey,
Hey.
what's going on, son?
Now I'm finna go to jail.
For what? Huh?
It's a lot going on right now.
It's a lot going on.
Yeah, I did some stuff, but
What you do? Huh?
I ran from the police
When?
just a few minutes ago. They just totaled my car out.
They totaled your car out.
Yes.
10-4-3-14.
He hit my car. He totaled my car out.
25-9-6. 10-4-3-14.
Where you at?
I'm on the expressway. I'm almost to Memphis, but I'm trying to call my daddy, so I'm gonna call you right back.
Okay.
All right. Man, it's hot as fuck up in this car. I'm finna go to jail.
What you mean?
I'm in a police car right now. I'm finna go to jail. They just peed in my car. My car is totaled out. Like, my fucking car is tore up.
How you finna get, what the fuck happened?
Man, I knew that was,
You got your ID with you or is it in the car?
no, I don't have it on me.
It's gonna be in the car.
It probably, if not, I got my driver's license number.
So,
If not, I know my number.
That subject 11 is out with, can you see if the county can contact Palestine, see if they have a problem with him over at the school?